Hey everyone, Tyson the Subaru Specialist here with another session of Subaru School. And today I'm going to show you guys how to use the MySubaru app, part of the 3-year MySubaru Connected Services trial, to book your own service appointment without having to call the dealership. I'm currently in a 2024 Crosstrek, absolutely brand new, currently sitting at 58.4 kilometers on it. And most of our screens are going to look like this on the 11.6 inch. So this doesn't apply to entry-level base model cars because they don't have the trial, but anything with the MySubaru Connected Services will work. So first things first, we hit MySubaru, gives us the ability to make an appointment, call for roadside, use concierge service. So let's book an appointment. It connects to the server. Takes a second, not exactly the fastest, but it does go through Subaru's X-Time booking program. So it is nice that it's integrated. So we've got current maintenance interval, 10,000 kilometers, 6-month service, tells you a brief breakdown of what it is. So if you're on the next one, if you're on a B service, 12 months in, 20,000 kilometers, it'll say the B service and explain what it is. I can check my scheduled appointments. I can book a scheduled service appointment. It brings up the dealer. Which dealer would you like to book it at? So if you're in a city with multiple Subaru dealers, or you're on vacation and you realize you're close to your oil change interval and you don't want to go over, it'll bring it up. You hit change dealer. It'll grab your location and give you some options. But let's go schedule appointment because I'm on the dealer lot right now. And then up here, I get to choose 10,000 kilometer service. I can book for something else, engine diagnosis, noises, leaks, or other heating or air conditioning. Or if it doesn't fall within those categories, other diagnosis. Hit continue and is looking for available appointments. So I'm getting fairly close here. Like today's the 6th, so it's asking if I could book it later. If I hit next, it takes us here. So it does eventually get to a point where it stops me. So I can't book it 6 months in advance from here. But let's go Tuesday the 16th. Let's go PM. It's going to give me some options. We're going to hit 12 PM. And confirm an appointment. An appointment confirmation will be sent via your preferred communication method. Now, I'm not actually going to book this appointment. And the reason I'm not actually going to book that appointment is because this is my customer's new vehicle. And they were gracious enough to let me do this video because I don't normally get to show this to you guys. But once you book it, it confirms and it'll send you either a text or an email. And then you should get a confirmation from the dealer as well. Now, and by we, I mean us at Subaru of Prince George, and I specifically book my service customers or my sales customers for service for them 6 months out. And in regards to that, if you put on a lot of kilometers faster than 6 months, I do recommend you get it in prior to that. It's 6 months or 8 to 10,000 kilometers, whichever comes first. If you're somewhere like California, where you get constant temperature, 10,000 is totally fine within warranty parameters. But if you're where we're at, which it gets super cold, super hot, wet, dry, dusty, I do recommend 8,000. Better for the vehicle, better for your peace of mind. So that's how you use the MySubaru app to book your services. Thanks for attending this session of Subaru School. I'm Tyson, the Subaru Specialist from Subaru Prince George. Talk to you guys soon.